guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to do a little bit more complicated design, but still on level 1. We are still learning. As I promised, we will have the Disney segment, so that's what we are gonna be doing today. If you want to learn more, stay tuned, and if you want to make my day better, please subscribe and like the video. Let's go onto it. So today we will do something a little bit more complicated because we're gonna start to play a little bit with the shading, not too much, just little by little. So I prepared my tip already, which you will see in a minute. So I just buffed the tip with a buffer, and my tip is white. So if you want, you can put some nice cover pink color, but I'm gonna keep mine white for these few steps. Alright guys, so I have my tip here. I'm gonna be using Crystal Nails Royal Gel for my outline. So, and the brush today that I'm using is my Holy Grail brush. It is from Get Buffed. Where is there we go. And it's called Mini. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love, love, love it. Okay, so I will start to create our bow. So I will start to do a line here. Just like that. Okay, going back to my brush and my color. All of those techniques, why I go back in a brush, why I put color on my glove, you can see in my previous videos. Like I said, this is like a segment series, so each time I do something a little bit more advanced, so we all can get to higher level together. And then I will just start to pull my brush. I actually want to make this a little bit more longer, so just extend. I'm not worried about this line here because I'm gonna color that later. And I will continue to create the bow. Same on the other side. If you are in Dublin, in Ireland, you can always take a course with me personally. You learn a lot more, all in depth. And of course it's different when I'm actually next to you, so I can see your hand, I can see if you're doing a mistake or not. But it's fun to practice as well this way. So just pulling lightly. Okay, now I'm gonna create those two parts that will fall down. So one will go from here all the way here. Right, so this is our body of the bow. If you want, you can add few other parts to your design. I will add some circles. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I think it's gonna look cute. Okay guys, so just keep adding circles if you want to. If you don't want to, then you just skip this part. I will add one more here, and I think that's it. I think I'm not gonna add any more. So this is our body of the bow. So also I can maybe do a line here, just so we have imaginary line going from one side to another. And I will pop this in a lamp for the 60 seconds. Okay guys, so while that is in the lamp, I will just clean my brush. I use this is a pad that already has cleanser in it, but try not to use this too much because cleanser will dry your bristles out, so you can just clean it in a normal paper towel. Okay, and let's start with the second stage. Okay guys, so I just prepared the color that I'm gonna be using, which is number 17 from Yana Nails. And I will also, I changed my brush. This is Phantom brush from Crystal Nails, and I will start to color it in. If you don't have few different brushes, then one brush will do. I like to switch my brushes from time to time. Okay, and I will just start to color this bow in. I wanted to do my bow red. You can do it in any color that you want. Right, I will just flash cure this for a few seconds. Moving on. Gonna go to the body. Okay guys, so this was flash curing in the lamp. In the meantime, I just changed the background as well of my table, just so we don't have light bouncing off the silver metal that's actually underneath. So just so you know. Anyway, continuing to just use a red color, and we will fill out the whole bow. This part here as well, everything red, or any other color you want. And don't forget this line here as well. Okay, and I also have a tiny bit of that line going here. Okay, and I will put this for the full curing time, which is gonna be 1 minute.